Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. One of our Patreon supporters has asked about some phrases in te reo, and these are the particular ones that she's asked about. Sometimes phrases will differ depending on where you are in New Zealand, and this one was the one she asked about for blow your nose. So I didn't know that one, so I've tried to find the best one, which seems to be whenua, which is for blow. Whenua, so remember to put a break after each vowel. Whenua, so it's not whengua. Remember, that isn't an NG like that. Whenua tō ihu. So your ihu, tō ihu is your nose. Whenua is blow. There might be others if I find out more, or if anyone knows more, let me know. Whenua tō ihu. Then she also asked about sit on the chair. So sit on the chair, I'm familiar with saying e noho. E noho for sit, just sit. E noho is the simplest thing to ask somebody to sit. E noho ki te whāriki is what I say when I'm doing my shows and want the children to sit on the mat. E noho ki te whāriki. So that would mean that you could say e noho ki te tūru for sit on the chair. And it also came up that the probably official way, more formal way for sitting on the chair or the mat is e noho ki runga I te, because it's sitting on something. E noho ki runga I te tūru. But for me, I just say e noho. And if you need to make it a little bit longer, you could just say e noho ki te tūru. So hopefully that will help you. We'll have some more next time. And please ask any more questions about phrases. I will help if I can. Ka kite.